If the point 5 and b minus 7 lies on x-axis, then b equal what? This point lies in x-axis, it's meaning y will be equal 0. We have order of this point x and y, then y will be equal 0, then b minus 7 equals 0, so the value of b will be 7. Question number 2. If f of x equals 7, then f of 7 plus f of negative 7 equal space. We have constant function here. F of 7, it will be 7, and f of negative 7 will be 7 again. 7 plus 7, it will be 14. Question number 3. If cubic root of negative 27 equal negative square root of x, we want to find the value of x. Cubic root of negative 27, it will be negative 3 equal negative square root of x. We can divide it by negative 1, then 3 equals square root of x, and then you can cancel this square root by put power 2 to left hand side, right hand side, then 9 will be equal x, then x here will be equal 9. Okay. Question number 4. If the ratio between a and b equal a and 3 equal b over 4, then 8a subtract by 6b plus 4 equal space. We have two ratio equality. We have the proportional. Then a over 3 equal b over 4, put the result here equal m, and m was the constant, not equal 0. Then the value of a, it will be 3m, and the value of b equal 4m. Value of a and the value of b. Then we can find the value of this expression. 8a subtract 6b plus 4. 8 times a, 8 times the value of a, 3m. Subtract 6b, 6 multiplication by the value of b, 4m, plus 4 equal 3 times 8 equal 24, and 4 times 6 equal 24, plus 4 equal what? 24m. Subtract 24m, it will be 0. 0 plus 4, it will be 4. Then the value about this expression, it will be 4. Question 5. If x equal set of 2, then x power x2, meaning x product, Cartesian product with itself, it will be set of 2 product by set of 2. Then the result will be set of 2 and 2. It's the result about question number 5. Okay, choose letter D. Question number 6. It's a definition. Okay, the positive square root of the verge of square of division of divisions of values from the mean is called it what is called it we called it the mean. Now the mean equals sum of all values divided by the number of values, but it will be standard division. Choose letter C. Standard division, we call this the sigma, okay, or standard division. It's a positive square root of the verge here, square root of sum of x subtract x bar all power 2 over sum of the number of repeating here. Okay, the values from there is the mean. Called it what? We called it standard division. Choose letter C. We called it standard division. It's the positive square root of the verge of square of division of the values from their mean. Okay, standard division, sigma or standard division. Next question, number 2. If y is averaged inversely as x and y equal 2, y equal 3 as x equal to, okay, we can write y varies inversely with x. It's meaning y equal m over x, where m not equal 0. We have relation between y and x. Okay, then we can write here at y equal 3, x was equal 2. Then we can write here 3 equal m over 2. Then m equal 2 times 3, it will be 6. Okay, then the relation between y and x, y will be equal 6 over x. It's a relation between y and x. Okay, and then find the value of y when x equal half. So you can write x here equal half. Yes, 3 over 2. Okay, 3 over 2. Question number 2. At x equal 3 over 2, then y equal 6 over x, here 3 over 2. 6 divided by 3 over 2. Right, 6 multiplication by 3 over 2, the right inverse will be 2 over 3. 6 divided by 3 equal 2. 2 times 2 equal 4. Then the value of y, it will be 4 when x equals 3 over 2. Question letter B. If a over 2 equal b over 3 equal c over 4 equal 2a, subtract by b plus 5c over 3x, find the value of x. Okay, we can find the result about this expression by product the first ratio by 2, numerator and numerator, and product second ratio by, we have here b and here negative b, multiplication by -1, numerator and numerator second ratio, and multiplication by 5, numerator and numerator third fraction. Okay, to find the result, first ratio, product by 2, add 2, -1, product by second ratio, add 2, 5, product third ratio, and then the result will be what? 2 times 8 will be 2a, 2 times 2 it will be 4, negative b, and negative 3, and here 5 times c, add to 4 times 5 it will be 20, it will be equal 1 of each ratio, 1 of each ratio. Okay, then you can simplify it, 2a minus b plus 5c if over 4 minus 3 1 plus 20 it will be 21 equal 2a minus b plus 5c. We can find 1 of each ratio here, write this ratio here, okay, over 3x, then numerator like numerators, and numerator like numerators, in 3x it will be 21, so x will be 21 divided by 3, it will be 7. The value of x will be 7 here. Towards question letter B. Question number 3. We have the relation between x and y, and a plus b equal 7 here. Question number 3. You want to find the relation between a and b, a belonging to x and b belonging to y. Okay, it's meaning a plus b equals 7. The relation here is first order 1 and 6, and 3 and 4, 5 with 2. Okay, the relation here, it's relation, then R is a function or not. R is a function because each element in X has one image in Y, because every element in X has only one image in Y. Okay. Question letter B. If B is a middle proportional between A and X, A and C, okay, prove that left hand side equal right hand side. Okay, you must know here B is the middle proportional between A and C. We have here E and C, and write B and P, and then write the constant here M, where M not equal 0, then A will be C M power 2 and B equal Cm. And then we have the relation about left hand side and right hand side. E minus C over E minus P, and P plus C over P. A equal Cm power 2 subtract by C over E minus P. A equal Cm power 2 subtract by B, and then we can simplify it by write C height cofactor between two terms. Write the result here, m power 2 minus 1, and here write P equals Cm. Write Cm height cofactor between two terms here. The result will be m minus 1. Cancel C by C, and then you can simplify it by factorizing this expression, m minus 1 multiplication by m plus 1, because we have the difference between 2 squared and m minus 1 in denominator. Cancel this by expression with expression. The result will be m plus 1 over 1. The result will be m. We have here m, okay, 1 times m equal m, and right hand side B plus C over P. B here equal Cm plus C over B equal Cm. Then you can write C height cofactor between two numbers. The result will be m plus 1, and here Cm, we can cancel C by C. Then the result will be m plus 1 over m. The left hand side will be equal right hand side. It will be m plus 1 over m. Then left hand side will be equal right hand side. Okay. Next question, number A. We have x and y, and you want to find x and y product between them, Cartesian product between x and y. Here we have x Cartesian product with y, 1 and 1, 1 and 3, 1 and 5. In x equals the first projection here, it will be 1, and y the second projection, it will be 1, 3, 5. Okay, we have x and y here. Then y product by x will be what? We can write the inverse, 1 with 1, and 1, 3 with 1, and 5 with 1. Okay, it's a product between y and x. Question letter B. Represent graphically f of x equal to subtract x power 2 when x falling to the interval from -3 to 3. Okay, we have about question letter B. You want to present the function here graphically. First step, we can use a calculator to find the table about 2 subtract x power 2 using calculator. Okay, right, f of x equal to subtract y x power 2, right here mode and table, 2 subtract by x power 2 is equal, then start from the interval from -3 to 3, -3 equal and 3 equal the end, then the interval here. You can draw the table. And they write here x and f of x. Write -3 from -3 to 3, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and last one 3. The image here, it will be -7, -2, 1, 2, 1, -2, and -7. And it will be the vertex 0 and 2. And when x equal 0, it's line symmetry, and it will be drawing here, it will be maximum at 2. Okay, question number 2, maximum at 2. Question number 3, line symmetry here, and you can drawing graphically by using ruler and pencil. Put 0 and 2 is the vertex here, and we have here -1 and 1, and -3 and -7 will be here, 1 and 1, 2 and -2. Okay, it's curvy, you can using it by using calculator. Okay, graphically. Question letter B. If x equal 1, 3, 5 and r the function on x, where the relation here a and 3, b 1, 1 and 5, find the range of the function. About question number 1, we can find the range at c, meaning the second projection. About relation e 3, b and 1, 1 and 5. Okay, then the range will be equal 3 and 1 and 5. 3, 1 and 5. Okay, the relation. Question number 2, the numerical value of a plus b. We want to find value a and b. About this function, we have x equal 1, 3 and 5. Then a will be 1, where b equal, no, we have 1 here, so a will be 3 and b equal 5, or a will be 5 when b equal 3, because it's a relation. We have the function here. Okay, it's a function. It's a function, it's meaning each element in x appear 1 times in the first projection. Only times of 1 here, a will be 5 when b equals 3, or it will be 5 when b equals 3. We have 2 solutions. Then the sum of them, it will be 8 in the 2 ways. Okay,